Talk about two topics, control and shareholder value. And these two simple words don't really connect when you're a public company executive. And so let's talk about this idea of control. Typically, public company executives oftentimes focus on, I want to control everything. I want to control every last detail of the narrative, every last detail of the financial guidance, and every last detail of the investors. And the problem is that when you're a public company, your constituents are in the hundreds and thousands, and it's very difficult to control. And it's hard to get away from this because the way you were successful as probably becoming a C-suite public executive is by controlling things and really being organized and getting things done. And the issue is that if you want control at a company, you should be working in venture capital or private equity where you have an owner of one. And so the idea is, how does control or successful control look at a public company? Well, it comes in the form of investors that are doing and acting the way you want them to act. They're repeating your narrative to you and to others. They're following your financial guidance, and you're meeting and exceeding the financial guidance you give. And that's where we get to the second word of shareholder value, that if you're an executive, you're going to make a choice. Do I want control, or do I actually want to create value for my constituents? And if you do the things I just described of creating thoughtful narratives, being consistent and disciplined, giving guidance that you can meet or exceed on a regular basis, and ensuring that you have the right people, processes, and systems in place to achieve those goals, you're going to unlock shareholder value. And the question you have to ask yourself when you join a public company is, do I want control, or do I want to unlock shareholder value? And once you make that decision, the rest of your actions will follow accordingly.